Hey guys, in this video I will show you step by step how to buy the new AirTor protocol ATOR token on KuCoin. So it was just listed here on KuCoin. Let me show you here. When you go to trade and type it in here, you can see that it has a USDT pairing. So what we need to do is buy some USDT and then we can trade that to ATOR. But first you need to sign up on KuCoin. So KuCoin is I think it's the second best exchange. The first is Binance and then KuCoin. And in some cases KuCoin is even better because they list tokens like gems, like for example ATOR super early, so you can get on project super early. So sign up on KuCoin using the first link in the description. When you sign up using the first link in the description, so when you go below this video in the description, and there is my KuCoin link, when you sign up using that you will get mega bonuses, so definitely use that link to get the bonuses. I've been a KuCoin basically affiliate since 2018, so you can get mega bonuses there. So after you sign up, this is the first page you will see, and the sign up takes like 2 minutes. So when you go here, your assets, you will have your funding account. So you basically have two accounts in KuCoin: your funding account where you get the money, put the money, the fiat currencies that you buy, and then the trading account that you use to trade. Okay, so what you first need to do is get some funds to your account. So USDT is the stable coin we are going to use. So go to buy crypto, and then you can use any of these methods, but I just usually use the fast trade. So basically you go to click here, fast trade, and then you buy it with your credit card. It's like buying anything online, and after you have bought it, the USDT will literally show up here. So that's how simple and easy it is. So next thing what you want to do is, now you have the funds in your funding account, so click transfer, and from funding to trading click max, and then the USDT will show up here on your trading account, and then you can trade it. So you have to do then is go here and type in the coin you want to buy, or go to spot, but easiest is just go here, and then let's click that. Okay, and from here on it's very easy. All you have to do is put your trading password, and you will make that as you create the account. And then okay, here you have basically all this data. Okay, you have all this stuff here, but what you want to do is you have a limit order and market buy, but I just usually I just market buy, meaning that you will buy the price that's currently in the markets, and you basically, these are the people who are buying and these are the people who are selling. Okay, so you just basically start buying from here, and then it goes up here. So market, and then 100% with your money if you want to buy, and then you click buy ATOR. Okay, and then when you click here buy ATOR, you will instantly, the token will instantly show up in your trading account. So then you own ATOR, and if you want to buy, you can just type in here how much you want to buy, but and then you can buy it here. And then if you want to sell it, you can anytime come back to this page, and here where it says sell, click market sell, and then 100%, and then you can sell it here. Okay, so that's how you buy and sell ATOR on KuCoin. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. So check out the first link in the description for bonuses, and also the KuCoin link in the description. Thank you so much. See you in the next videos, and peace out. Thank you.